Acorns is an investment app that offers users several different investment options to choose from, including Acorns Core. This is the app's flagship investment option, which invests your money in a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds based on your chosen risk level. The ETFs include stocks, bonds, and real estate. Acorns Later. This option allows you to save for retirement by investing your money in a tax-advantaged individual retirement account. You can choose between a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA, depending on your preference. Acorns Spend. This is a checking account that is linked to your Acorns Core investment account. It allows you to earn cashback rewards on purchases and automatically invests the change from your purchases into your investment account. Acorns Early. This option allows you to invest in your child's future by setting up a custodial investment account for them. You can choose from a conservative, moderate, or aggressive portfolio based on your investment goals. Overall, Acorns offers users a variety of investment options that can help them achieve their financial goals, whether it's saving for retirement, investing for the future, or just investing spare change.